Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. I'm MT Simon, ID 25103-2004. Today I'm going to talk about the method in Java, one of the most important building block in programming. A method in Java is a block of code that performs a specific task. It runs only when it is called and helps break a big program into smaller and manageable parts. You can think of a method as a function or a behavior of a class. A method signature refers to the method name and its parameter list. It's what Java used to identify one method from another. For example, if we have a method like void add integer a, integer b, the signature in the name void add with the parameter in integer a and integer b. It's important to note that the return type is not part of the method signature. Parameters play a very important role in method. Formal parameters are variables that are written inside the method definition. They act as placeholder. Actual parameters, on the other hand, are the real values that we pass when we call a method. For example, in sum 510, the number 5 and 10 are actual parameters, while the variables inside the method definition are the formal parameters. In Java, there are different types of methods. First, we have predefined methods, which are already available in Java, like system.out.println or math square root. Next, we have user-defined methods, which are created by programmers. We also have static methods, which can be called without creating an object, and instance method, which require an object to run. Lastly, method can be void if they don't return a value, or return method if they send back a value. These types helps us organize how and when method should be used. Method overloading means having multiple methods with the same name but with the different parameters. This helps improve flexibility because we can perform similar tasks with different types of numbers of inputs. For example, we can have a method called show that takes an integer, another show takes string, and even another one takes two parameters. In Java, method use something called call by value. This means that when we pass a value to a method, Java sends a copy of that value. So any change made to the parameter inside the method do not affect the original value. For example, if we pass a variable with the value 5 to a method and the method change it into 100, the original variable will remain 5 and the next one will be 100. This concept is important for understanding how data is handled in Java. To conclude, methods play a major role in Java programming. They provide readability, meaning we can use the same blocks of code multiple times. They also reduce code duplication, making the program cleaner. Methods increase readability and maintainability, helping us understand the program more easily. Finally, they help in debugging because when code is divided into methods, finding and fixing errors become much easier. Thank you everyone for your humble patience and listening, and I'm happy to take any questions.